Hello, how you doing? So we're going to do some Brussels sprouts today. Sprouts, a great kind of, I think Thanksgiving, you have them for Thanksgiving. Do Americans eat them for that? But we eat them for Christmas generally. They come out at the end of the year anyway. But yeah, beautiful little vegetable. My mum used to destroy the life out of them and I used to hate them so much as a kid, like so many people. I now love them, love them. We're going to do these with some shallots, garlic, rosemary. They're really good. Okay, then look, Brussels sprouts, nice sort of Christmas thing, usually eaten around Christmas time, but great all year, of course. Now, when my mum used to cook these when I was young, she'd put them in water and I think she'd boil them for about 7 weeks. She'd just boil the bloody life out of them. They're horrible. We're not going to cook them so harshly today. So look, all you have to do is take the outer skin off. I've done that already. Just like there might be some sort of, older skin. So just take one layer off, put a little cross in the bottom there. That just ensures that they cook evenly. That's the hardest bit. Salt water, on they go. These ones, this sort of size, are going to be just about, once it reaches boiling point, they're just going to be about 4 or 5 minutes. I like them with a little bit of bite. Okay, so these are done. Now, they're probably maybe a bit too hard for some people. Let's turn the heat off. But I like them just a little bit with a bite to them. Simply, we're going to drain them off and then they're done. If you want to eat them like that, you can eat them like that. But you've basically got little boiled cabbages, haven't you? We're going to chuck them in the wok with some garlic, shallots and a few other little bits and just give them a little bit of a boost. So I've got a little wok here, or a little skillet or something like that. Now, I've got some olive oil in there, extra virgin olive oil. Now, I don't normally cook with extra virgin. By the way, that's the one I've picked up, which is bloody fantastic. I don't know if you can get hold of that, but that's really good. Not cheap, but great. But we're not going to be long here. Look, I've got some shallots or onions just cut up there, about a cup. And then here I've got some garlic. We're going to go with some salt. Some black pepper. I've got a little bit of fresh rosemary there. And then we're going to just tip the sprouts in, and just for like 3 minutes on an above medium heat, we're just going to throw it around, and it's just going to give it some lovely flavour. Now, of course, try this with something else. You can get some cayenne pepper in there, some different other herbs or something, but yeah, it just makes a massive difference just adding this little bit at the end. If you don't want to use olive oil, you could just butter them with maybe some sage or something like that. That sounds good to me. Right, job done. Easy peasy. There you go. Like, that's really delicious. Like, the garlic is pretty much raw. The shallots again. It was just like 2 or 3 minutes. Just throwing it around there. Really beautiful. My mum would be proud of me. She probably wouldn't actually. Should think that they're raw. I'm going to taste one. Oh man, fantastic. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.